This piece of SPC flooring just spent 3 full days submerged in water. No swelling, no warping, no damage. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it's made, how to install it, and what every contractor needs to know before specifying SPC. Let's get into it. Let's break down the structure. SPC flooring has 5 layers. Top, UV coating for scratch resistance. Second, wear layer AC4 or AC5 for commercial use. Third, the decorative print film, this is the wood or stone look. Fourth, the SPC core, this is the magic. It's stone powder in PVC, which means it will never absorb water. And the bottom, attached IXPE or EVA underlay for comfort and sound. Now let's compare. SPC versus traditional LVT. SPC has a rigid stone core, LVT is flexible vinyl. That stone core means SPC won't expand or contract with temperature changes. SPC versus laminate. Laminate has a wood-based core, spill water on laminate and it's over. SPC? Zero issues. As for installation, 2 people can do 100 square meters in a day with the click lock system. No glue, no mess. So there you have it, SPC flooring from inside out. Waterproof core, durable wear layer, fast installation. If you're a contractor, distributor, or project manager looking to spec SPC flooring, check the description below. We've got the full catalog, spec sheets, and our WhatsApp for direct inquiries. Thanks for watching. Drop any questions in the comments.